Hello, and welcome to week 2 of Writing 122. This is the week when we really delve into the class. We're reading more of The Circle. The forum assignments this week, Wednesday and Friday, as usual, will deal with discussion of Dave Eggers' ideas about social media. Spoiler alert, he's negative. Then we're also going to work on argumentative writing. That's the focus of the course. We're going to be looking at other people's work, opinionated work, not descriptive. These are opinion columnists, and we will be looking to see what they're doing. The assignment that's due, the written assignment number 2, is a rhetorical analysis that's due on Sunday. This is not an essay, this is an analysis. And if you look at the assignment, you'll see that what I have done here is I have given you a list of, a lot of articles here that you can choose. Most of them come from the New York Times. And please note, as I say here, all LCC students are allowed a free subscription to the Times. I give you exactly the information on how to get your own subscription to it that you might want in any case. But these should all be free for you. If they're not, please let me know. And I've given you lots of them. They go back as far as I see 2017, and some of them as recently as last December. This one is about the ChatGPT. You've heard of that. That's the AI writing program that you can't use. But anyway, giving you argumentative things, I'm asking you to read these. You might want to print them out, highlight them, scribble on them, and then I'm asking you to actually write about them. Now, I've given you the directions. I'm sorry, I've got this kind of off the screen here. But I've given you directions on how you can look at this. Let me move this over. I have given you an example. What I want is first paragraph, introduce your article in his 2013, that's an old one, article, and the title, Jim Taylor Explains what his subject is, and then what is his thesis. In Taylor's opinion, and then he talks about what his thesis is. Notice the second time after I've referred to the author by his first name, Jim Taylor, after that I refer to him by his last name only. Notice that this is double-spaced. Notice also there is no extra space between paragraphs. This is short. This is not an essay, as I'm saying. This is maybe the equivalent of about a page, 250 words, something like that. I'm not concerned about the length. I'm concerned that you understand the article and that you tell me exactly how the author explains his point of view and attempts to persuade us. Her last paragraph, here I am saying my own opinion. I believe that Taylor makes a solid point. Up until now, I'm being objective. I'm just saying what Taylor is saying. Now I'm saying what I believe. I'd like you to have at least one quotation. We're working on writing how to incorporate other people's ideas, at least one quotation. And then I want a works cited entry at the end. You can copy this. We're using MLA in this class with the author's name, the title, the name of the publication. Here it's the Huffington Post, the date, and the URL for it. I would also really appreciate at the end if you could give me a quick paragraph, not to be graded. Was this difficult for you? Did you have trouble picking an article? Did you have trouble analyzing it? As always, let me know if you have any questions, any problems.